Alright, this video is to go over the Unit 7 study guide answers. Number 1, find the sum or difference. When you're taking this test, make sure that you're not multiplying here, that you're adding and subtracting. So when I subtract, remember I changed this to addition and change all the signs of the second polynomial. So when you put these all together, you have negative 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. That's in standard form. Don't forget to write it in standard form. Number 2, 6n to the fourth plus 10n squared plus 7. We're adding those so nothing happens. You just combine everything that's like. Number 3, you're subtracting. If you want to just subtract, that's fine, but I changed that to addition and changed all the signs in the second polynomial to get 2r to the fourth, negative 11r cubed, and plus 13. Number 4, again, I changed that to addition, so I have negative 18r to the fourth minus 10r cubed minus 7r minus 3. Here's where you multiply. Number 1, I FOILed to get x squared plus x minus 12, 2, 3n squared plus 10n minus 25, 3, 10n squared plus 33n plus 20, 4, 25x squared plus 10x minus 8, 5, 6x squared plus 9x minus 6, 6, 4k cubed plus 7k squared minus 19k plus 5. These are also find the product, but they're those special products we had. Use the pattern. It'll save you lots of time. 7x squared plus 12x plus 36, 8, 100x squared minus 60x plus 9, 9, 9x squared minus 6x plus 1, 10, x squared minus 169, 11, 16x squared minus 1, 12, 81y squared minus 16. Find the greatest common factor. For the first one, I pulled out 5a cubed times the quantity of 4a plus 3. Number 2, I pulled out 3x squared times the quantity of 7x squared plus 2. That last one had the h as an exponent. We'll just skip that one. Factor completely. For number 1, all you can do is pull out the greatest common factor, which is negative 3n, and inside you have 3n to the fourth, m squared, minus 3n minus 4. Number 2, again, all you can do is pull out the greatest common factor, 6xy to the eighth, times the quantity of 9xz cubed plus 5y. Now, 3 is a horse of a different color. You have to multiply a times c, which you're going to get 36, and find factors of 36 that when you add them together equal 13. Then you had to group. So I ended up with 4x plus 9, quantity x plus 1. Same applies here. You had to find, there's no greatest common factor, so factors of negative 90 that together equal 9. So I grouped. I have 9k squared minus 6k plus 15k minus 10. Here's the two factors. I split that term into two factors and then I grouped to get 3k plus 5, quantity 3k minus 2. This next one, I pulled out the greatest common factor of negative 3 first to get inside 8x squared plus 42x plus 49. Then I grouped. I used the factors of 14x and 28x together because they equal 42x. Then I grouped to get negative 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 7, quantity 4x plus 7. Number 6, this is the difference of two squares, so it follows that pattern, 4v minus 9, quantity 4v plus 9. 7, perfect square trinomial, is 5x minus 7 squared. So on your test, you're going to have to identify in one part if this is a perfect square trinomial or not. So this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That's the pattern of a perfect square trinomial. This could be plus or minus. 8, perfect square trinomial, follows the pattern 8p minus 7, quantity 8p plus 7. Number 9 is the sum of two squares, so that's already factored, so it's prime. 10, difference of two squares, so it factors to 9r minus 12, quantity 9r plus 12. Here's our application problems. This says a rectangular pool has a path around it. What is the area of the path or the shaded region? So you need to find the whole thing by multiplying this and this together to get 2x squared plus 49x plus 147. Then you need to find the area of the inside, which take x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 5. You get x squared plus 8x plus 15. That's the white rectangle. Then you need to subtract the small one from the entire rectangle to get x squared plus 41x plus 132. This is just x squared. Same thing here. You need to find the entire garden by taking this times this. And I got 3x squared plus 15x plus 12. Now you just need the, oh no, this times this is the entire garden. Sorry, this, you can see the arrow in there, is a square. So it's x plus 2 squared, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Then you need to subtract that from that to get just the gourds, which is 2x squared plus 11x plus 8. A rectangle has an area defined by x squared minus 4x minus 5. You need to factor to find the length times the width. So when you factor, one of these is the length and one of these is the width. So you get x minus 5, quantity x plus 1. Same thing, a rectangle has an area defined by 4x squared minus 13x plus 10. Factor to find an algebraic expression for the length and the width. So this one you have to group because you have to find factors of 40 that together equal negative 13. And then you had to group. And here's the length and width. 4x minus 5, quantity x minus 2. And that is it.